Hi students, I want to let you know that our book is now available. To buy the book, we type sac.edu, that is Santa Ana College website. Then we click menu, then click bookstore, and then textbooks, buy rent. If you accept the terms, you click yes, and then you choose the term. You're going to choose this term, 2021, and then you choose the department, that is SCE, School of Continuing Education, and then you choose the course, Intermediate Law, and then depending on your class, you will click 02563 if your class is on Saturdays. If your class is from Monday to Thursday, you will click 02566. Once you click here, then you click begin price comparisons and shopping. Click begin comparison, and then you add the book to your cart, and then check out one more time, and then you click on checkout again, and then you type your email address and your password, and then you follow instructions for payment. I hope this helps. If you have any question, please let me know. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for joining and for watching this video. Bye-bye.